Welcome to this KnowledgeSmart support video. This video is about the new KnowledgeSmart survey report template. This is now the third Power BI template report that we have made available to KnowledgeSmart subscribers. The data source for this survey report template is, of course, the new consolidated data export available from the main screen under the general survey part of the platform. You will notice a similar look and feel to the other Power BI templates we have already released. The Read Me First page provides important information about the report structure and the different visualizations that you might come across. There is also a support button should you need further support in navigating the report. On the User Guide tab, you will find a link to download a user guide and also some handy video links to help you understand how to update the demo data that the report ships with to your data. This little process takes a couple of seconds, but it is handy to view the video to understand exactly what to do. The navigation homepage will provide one way of navigating around the report. The navigation buttons are actioned via a control click. We also provide you with an explanation on other icons that you might come across. For example, this reset icon, which will release all filters on a specific report page, this information icon, which will provide more context around that specific report page, and this home icon, which will always bring you back to this page. What are some of the other ways that we can use to navigate around the report? So we can, of course, just jump through the report tabs at the bottom here, just by clicking the next tab. So that's the second way. The third way is to activate bookmarks. View, bookmarks. And that will open up the bookmark panel here on the right-hand side. You can simply select the bookmark titles to then jump to the next relevant report page. If we then head to the filter page, we notice that we also have a centralized filter page as part of the survey template. And this helps you narrow down the data that you're looking at in terms of the different visualization types. Simply go ahead and select your filters, or you can also take advantage of some on-screen filters. For additional on-screen filter options, also navigate to the filter panel, which you'll find here on the right. You can drag in any of your data fields into the correct filter box to then either apply a filter on a specific page or across the entire report. Now let's move on to the first report page showing a chart. So on this report page, we are looking at invite history, and we are looking at the unique invites per survey name segmented by result status. So we can see, for example, 13 invites were issued and only one has been completed. We can also use this little drag bar here at the bottom to create focus around a specific part if we need. Use the on-screen filters here via drop-down selection to filter to a specific account name, survey name, or to a specific period of time. The second report page about invite history is a bit of a dashboard where we're showing you how you can potentially combine a number of charts. So at the top here, we're looking at the count of user ID, so how many user IDs in this account versus how many invites have been issued. Here we are looking at the count of user ID by status. So we can see we've got 9 employees and 2 contractors. Down here, we're looking at the count of invites per year. We can easily swap this out for month or quarter if we like. And bottom right, we are looking at our invite history by office location. And in the case of the demo data, the data field 3 provides the office location. That might be different for your data. But just to show you that it is also handy to see how many invites have been completed per office location. We then look at survey responses summary. So over here we are looking at the number of respondents per region. And if we go and have a look at visualizations, we see that we are using user country as our location field. You might have a specific data field that is also linked to a location that you can swap that out for. So that is helping us position the data on the world map, and we're counting the number of respondents. So here we can also add in a legend of survey name, which then allows us to view the number of respondents per region, but also get an idea of the ratio between different surveys taken. You can also zoom in or zoom out there if needs be. Then on the right here, we've got count of survey responses by job title. And there we are utilizing user job title, that field. If you don't have job titles as part of your user data, it is a good idea to get that updated, because you could then leverage this level of analysis here. Then bottom left here, we are looking at completed responses per day. You can easily swap that out to per year or month just by taking away the appropriate options there under visualizations. So here we are looking at it per year, or if you take year away, you'll see it per month. So whatever your preference is there. Bottom right here, we are leveraging our data field 1, which in the demo data is office location. And so we're able to look at the count of responses by region or by office location. Just to show you here at the top, we have got account name and survey name. And you can, of course, just select that and filter to a specific account name or a specific survey name based on, what the data is that you're showing here.